how to fix the black and white display on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility features. Now in accessibility features, tap on accessibility and then from here tap on color correction. So if you have enabled color correction, it will make your screen black and white. So to fix this black and white screen, tap on this button to turn it off. Now after turning off color correction, it will fix the black and white display. But if you are still facing the issue of black and white display, then the next solution is open settings again. Now scroll down and here click on display and brightness. Now here you will see a dark mode option. So if you have enabled dark mode, then switch back to light mode, because in dark mode sometimes it creates a glitch which makes your screen black and white. So switch back to light mode and after that your issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings and then again tap on reset all settings to reset your all mobile settings back to factory default. And after doing this, the black and white screen display issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the black and white display issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.